Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Ace2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find personalizations. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got the static and live wallpapers, which are pre-installed. Here we've got our own albums and the online wallpapers, which are basically available online. So all you have to do to check the preview is to simply tap on the specific wallpaper, tap on it and check whether you like it, and then simply tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it. So as a home screen, usually the lock screen is also separately, and both of them. So I'll choose both. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.